Let us go with the third problem. Right here, now it is also a bar diagram. Study the diagram and find the number of students obtained less than 20 marks. So less than 20 marks, how many students is able to get? That's what we need to find out. So here you shouldn't take the 20, right? This is what 20 scores, right? 5. This is 5 marks. The student number of students obtained here, and as well as this is 10, 15, 20, so 30, right? 25 and as well as 35 they have given here, right? Let us check out here, right? They asked here is number of students obtained less than 20 marks. So less than 20 marks is, that is how many students who got 15 marks, students who got 10 marks, so student who got 5 marks. That is what we need to find out. 15 marks, let's just check out here. This is going to be 20, right? 10 going to be 10, right? 5, that is 5, right? 20 plus 10, 30, 35. So total 35 number of students, 35 students who got the marks less than 20. So option A is the right one. You shouldn't consider 20, right? So it is, they have mentioned clearly less than 20, right? So you have to take 5, 10 and 15, right?